Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to Breakthrough to Millions Now. We're going to talk about the Money Mindset Workshop on Tuesday. And I'm out here looking at this water and I wanted to share this with you. And why am I sharing this with you? Because money is currency, right? So I'm watching this water out here, right? And it has a lot of different things affecting it. The environment of the water, the wind is causing a lot of ripple. There are boats, if you can see the boats on the water at the same time, causing even more ripple, right? So we're going to talk about all that on Tuesday on the workshop. But I wanted to just share this with you because it was so poignant for me to watch this and see it. Look at even how the water is so powerful that it's moving even things in the water, right? So we're going to talk about that on Tuesday. We're going to remove all the money blocks that you have in your mind. We're going to shift all that, and we're going to really take you to another level so that whatever you're trying to create in your life, when it comes to money, you're going to know how to maneuver. You're going to learn how to quiet the ripple or create waves. All right, I'll see you on Tuesday.